Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into stock trading on Robinhood and want to level up your chart analysis, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to change Robinhood to candlesticks, a full guide for 2025. Candlesticks are a powerful tool for visualizing price movements, making it easier to spot trends, reversals, and key patterns. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, switching to candlesticks can give you that extra edge in 2025's fast-paced markets. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Robinhood app installed on your device. This ensures you have access to all the updated features. Once you're set, open the app and log in to your account. Now, navigate to the stock or market you're interested in by searching for it in the search bar at the top. Next, tap on the chart icon to bring up the detailed view. You'll see a variety of chart options here. Look for the Settings gear or the Chart Type button, usually in the top right corner. Tap on that, and a menu will pop up with different chart styles like line, bar, and yes, candlesticks. Select Candlesticks from the list. It's that simple. Robinhood might ask you to confirm or customize your view, so take a second to adjust colors or time frames if you want. For example, you can switch to a 1-minute or 1-hour candlestick view depending on your trading style. Once you've made your selection, hit Apply or Save, and voila, your chart will update instantly. One quick tip. Candlesticks show open, high, low, and close prices, so spend some time practicing with them. If you run into any issues, double-check your app settings or reach out to Robinhood support. There you have it, folks. You've just transformed your Robinhood charts to candlesticks in under a minute. This small change can make a big difference in your trading decisions. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading in 2025.